Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will create another basic object, go and add some fields. The steps are the same as before, maybe you are familiar with it. Now we are in Object Manager. Firstly, click the New button. Choose Basic Object and then Next. Name it Go. And then choose the Parent menu, Business menu. Click Save. As before, the system reminds us to set the name field. Click OK. Choose the data type, one-line text. We are going to change the name to title. Because this is a description of the goal, title may be better than name here. Then click Save and confirm. Next, we will add some fields. First of all, we need a field which could show the status of our goal. Click New. Choose Single Select List. Then name this field Status. About option source, the system selects the value set by default. And for the value set, we can use existing value set or create a new value set. In this case, we are going to new a value set and name it Goal Status. The code is the same as the value name. Then let's add values. Enter values. Started. Not started. In progress. Failed. Closed. And completed. Okay, I think it's enough now. If you are going to add lots of values, you could also click the Mass Add button. And if we want to use different colors or icons to mark different status, what we have to do is just click the toggle button to switch on these settings. Now we are going to click on the color toggle button. We got colors of these values. And then we are able to make some changes. For example, I will change the value started to green color and change the not started to yellow color. Change the failed to red. Then click Save and save again. Besides, we need to know the goal progress, so click New. Find the percentage field. We are going to name this field Progress. And it has 2 decimal places by default. We will not change it. Click Save. Once we have goals, then we have to set the time limit of it. Let's do it by creating date fields. New. Choose Date field. Enter Start Date. And then save it. Again, New. Choose Date. Enter Due Date. Then save. Finally, we could create a multi-line test to record the problems or other things we encountered when completing our goals. Click New. Choose Multi-line Test. And then name it Note. Then save it. Okay, that's all about Object Goal. In next lesson, we will get to know intermediate relation object and its fields. See you next lesson.